Hello, I'm Rastakżywa, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable player web3 login in your game. We've prepared login prefabs so you can drag and drop metapro plugin prefab onto your scene. If you don't have Text Mesh Pro already imported, it will prompt you to import that package. Prefab provides the UI that enables player to login with web3 provider. If it doesn't already exist in your game, you will have to create event system object. After choosing provider, player will need to scan QR code with its wallet and then sign transaction to confirm web3 login. Player will be able to see its information, NFTs that he owns for your game, and all NFTs assigned to your game. In this view, you will also be able to click on information button next to NFT and open its details. You are ready to use web3 login in your game.